One of her favorite ways to practice making volume fans is using a sponge.
Having perfectly symmetrical fans is important because your overall set will look more consistent and clean.
Also, fans with evenly spaced extensions will have more equal weight distribution.
This means that the fan will be more balanced on the natural lash, which prevents the lashes from going lopsided when they grow out.
To start practicing, I like to place them in a perfect row along the edge of the sponge.
This is important because it helps you clearly see the spaces in between each eyelash extension.
When doing this method, you want to aim to do a specific fan size. For example, all 5D fans or all 6D fans.
The technique I'm using here is called lonely fan on the strip.
Grab your eyelash extensions and place them back onto the strip. While the strip holds the lashes together, use the tip of your tweezers and roll the lashes apart at the base.
Once the lashes are spread into a fan, readjust any lashes that appears to be out of place.
I do this by gently grabbing the lash and slightly pulling them into the direction I want them to go.
When picking up your fan, grab your fan very close to its midpoint or slightly lower than the midpoint if you feel like you need more control.
Dip and immediately place the fan onto the sponge, holding it in place for about 5 to 10 seconds.
Make sure to not press down onto the sponge too hard. This may cause the base of your fan to break or spread apart.
Gently press the base of the fan against the sponge.
Once you're done, you can check your work in the front view. You'll be able to see inconsistencies right away.
If you want, you can also use this as a reference model to show clients what volume lashes look like.